Hi, I'm Anita from Needles and Hooks, and in today's unboxing video, I'm going to unbox the Stanwood Ball Winder, put it together, and then use it to make my first yarn cake. Okay, and here's the box that my Stanwood came in. As you see, I already pre-opened it because, well, I thought it would be inside another box inside this box, but I was wrong. But anyway, let's go ahead and open her up. Some paper, sticker, Amazon stuff. I don't think any of these. How to use. Okay, that's how to use, and that's not exactly how to install. I'll set that aside. Let's undo some things. Okay, there's the top. Put that on the floor. Set that aside. Oh, this is stuck in there pretty good. Oh my goodness, that's heavy. All right, hang on here. Remove bubble wrap. This is heavier than I thought it was going to be. Let's try to take it out of here. Okay, that's the mechanism. And our guide arm right here. So I think that's all that's in this box. Pity it did not come with instructions. This does have some weight to it. I'm going to set this down for a sec. Okay, so I need to take this, get this foam out of here somehow. There we go. I wish there were instructions on how to put this together. Maybe they're on that sheet. Let me look at the sheet. Place a fitting wire arm between the washer and the base plate. Okay, our feeding wire arm. Where'd that washer go? Washer and the base plate. Hang on here. Try to unscrew this. This is what happens when I do things. Alright, here's the washer. Does that come off? Yes. Hopefully I'm trying to get the washer off of here. Okay. I think it goes... Yeah, I guess it goes this way. At least I hope it goes that way. Alright, put the washer back on. Center myself up here. Screw this on. Okay. It's a hefty little cinchy thing. Now, right, that's the guide. Let's see. Step 2, tightly clamp the winder. Okay. And of course, you're probably not letting me move my camera. As you can see, all my nonsense on the floor. That's not really in there properly. I'm confused. All right, hang on here. Okay. Tighten it. Probably can't see it, but I am tightening this here. What am I supposed to do? Okay, do I even have this correctly? Tightly clamp the water to the edge of sturdy table. I've done that. Line the bottom and base winder. But remove. Okay. How am I supposed to remove this? hang on here. How do I remove it? There we go. All right. I said it wasn't going on YouTube, and it's still going on YouTube because I had to remove this off the arm. Okay. So maybe this sits on the table. Didn't know there was like a little, little rubber washer on there. Throw that in the box. Stand back up off the floor. All right. Step 3, align the bobbin and the base of the winder at the location shown by arrows. Okay. I'm so confused. Okay. All right, so there are these little flat protrusions right here, so we're going to align them into here because there's some grooves. I don't know how well that's being picked up, so we're going to try that. Let's see. Here we go. All cinched in, and now it seems to be working. All right, let me move this off. I'm gonna go grab some yarn and cake this bad boy up. All right, step 4, thread the yarn through the distal wire arm. Okay, you know what? Distal and proximal, let's see. Thread the yarn first through the distal wire arm, then through the proximal arm. Final position is tightly in the cleft of the bobbin to begin turning the crank. Okay, so I guess it goes yarn. I'm guessing it goes through here, I guess, and then no, through here, and then I cinch it onto here. Let's see if I actually got this correctly. Oh, this table is wobbly. I think I got it. Okay, maybe. If this table wasn't so, like, floppy. Let me put this aside here. Try to get some... Uh-oh. I don't need that right in there. Try to keep it, oops, on top. Or at least attempt it. It's not going to stay up there. Anyway. So far, so good. I won't be doing any bobbin winding or yarn winding, cake making on this table. Because, like, this table is not sturdy. So if I do it, I'll be doing it at my desk. So far, so good. Let's see if I can actually get this to make a decent cake. Otherwise, I'm going to need to practice. This is the first ball winder I've ever bought, so I don't know how well this is going to work, but it's definitely not working well on this table. Oh, so far, so good. It's getting a little easier to turn. Yeah, I think this holds like 10 ounces of yarn. This table is not fun. Alright. Let's just keep going, because I know I have less than 8 ounces of this, but I wanted to see how well it winds up. Does a pretty good job. And hopefully, okay, my fingers got caught. Haha. And hopefully I've done an okay-ish. Okay, so I got some yarn barf going on. That's fine. I can do this. I don't want to like, can't like crank on it because the table will shake. Okay, more yarn is stuck. That's why I'm not going like a speed demon. Ugh. This is what happens when you get to the end. Almost at the end of a skein of yarn, it likes to like get caught and tangle up. But if I go slow, then I can catch it. Ha! Almost knocked my table over. That would not have been good. All right, let's try to untangle the rest of this yarn here, so I'm not having any more in it. There we go. It's on the floor now. Oops. And I still got the tangles. There we go. Oh, there we are. Let's see if I can get it off of here. If I can scooch this end in. All right, here we go. And look at that. My first yarn cake. Sort of, some issues, but I can learn, but so far, so good. I'm kind of pretty happy with this, how it turned out. I just need to do something with the end of the yarn so it's not like, there it is. There's the end of the yarn. So yeah, seems all very, very well and good. Yay. All right, my final thoughts on it, just like doing this for the first time. Definitely use a substantially sturdier table than what I got over there. I would probably do it at my desk since it's like heavy. It's like here and it's sturdier than that table over there. Also, I need more practice with this. See, there's my center pull from my yarn cake, but my tail end has come undone. So I'm going to fix that real quick. I'm going to wrap it around and then poke it through so it stays put. But so far, this is so much easier than me sitting there winding up by hand gigantic balls like this. So much easier on my hands. I don't have to like sit here and try to manhandle that to roll more yarn up on it. Unless it's like a really small amount of yarn. That's a lot of yarn. So, anywho. And you don't have to go out and buy one of these ball winders. You can go and buy a Knit Picks ball winder for $22 on Amazon. I just wanted to do this to give myself an early birthday present, which isn't until the end of February. So I bought it sooner. I wasn't expecting it until the 30th, and it arrived today on Thursday. So I was like, can't wait to like get there and just kick up all the stuff that I've got sitting over there, the small amounts of yarn. I mean, it's not quite small amounts of yarn, but small enough to where it's like getting on my nerves to like have it like not be small in a small little shape like this instead of like a floppy skein. But anyway, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.